Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play YouTube music in the lock screen or in the background or while using any other application. As you guys can see here, this is my iPhone 13 Pro. I'm using this really good application in my iPhone, which really works on YouTube platform, and it's totally free. It's working flawlessly. I'll show you which app and how you can use it. Even you can access the lyrics. So it's pretty much like Spotify. You can do whatever you want, right? So I'll show you. It's the totally free app. You can use this. So as you guys know, that in the previous videos I have like showed you Musi app here, right? And this app is working great. The only bad thing is this app is no more in the App Store. I don't know what happened, but I can't download this app from App Store anymore. So if you have this app, make sure you don't delete it. And you can't download this app from App Store anymore. You can't find it. So there we go. So the persons, the like people who don't have this app, you can use this app here. Here's the app icon. I can show you clearly, and the name of this app is Utify. Here, Utify. There you go. This is inspired by YouTube and Spotify, so they infused it as Utify. I mean, nice concept. So how this works, let me show you. Let me clear the recents. There you go. So just you can search any song here. This is the only thing, it shows me 5-second ad, but song will still keep playing, it will not pause, right? So as you guys can see here, I can search any song here, any song available on YouTube. Like you guys can see here, I'll search Believer, and there we go. I'll play this song, and here I can also read the lyrics. So here is the option to get lyrics. There you go, you are getting lyrics. You can also increase the speed of the song, at what speed you want to listen. You can click on up next and you can play other songs. The UI of this app is pretty great, I would say. Like developer have like put his efforts in this app. Here you guys can see here, you can share this music, you can view album, sleep timer, that this app will stop playing music after an hour. You can set this thing. You can also watch video directly on YouTube, because this app is working on YouTube server. So as you guys can see here, this app is working, the song is working in the background when I'm in the home screen. When I lock the phone, it will still keep playing. So this is a really good app. You can use this app here. So Utify is the app, you can download it and you can use this. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you so much. Peace.